by integrating propulsion into various subsystems such as climate control and distillation. Experts on land can remotely access and analyze ship data, enabling them to make the real-time adjustment and issue commands without the need for onboard human intervention. These allow for efficient monitoring and management of critical ship systems, ensuring optimal performance and safety even while at sea. Additionally, leveraging findings from big data analysis can revolutionize maritime operation. Companies can utilize this data to identify patterns, optimize routes, and predict maintenance needs, thereby reducing operational costs and minimizing risks. For example, by accurately predicting fuel consumption and weather conditions, ships can adjust their speed and route to maximize fuel efficiency and avoid adverse weather, ultimately reducing fuel expenses and increasing overall profitability. Furthermore, automation can play a crucial role in optimizing crew management and vessel utilization. With advanced automation systems, companies can streamline onboard operations, potentially reducing the need for large onboard crews while still maintaining high levels of safety and efficiency. This not only helps cutting down operational expenses but also allows companies to increase load capacity and arrive at harbor earlier than scheduled, further enhancing their competitive edge in the maritime industry. Overall, the integration of remote functionality and big data analysis offers immense potential for enhancing efficiency, safety, and cost effectiveness in maritime operations. I'm Carlot Ardalaga from BSMT Y2-4. Thank you.